Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 7. The force of repulsion F. The force of repulsion is represented by F and the unit of force is Newton. Between two particles is inversely proportional to the square root of the distance d, and distance is represented by d and the unit to measure the distance is meter. So the force of repulsion between the two particles is inversely proportional to the square of the distance, and the distance is given in d. So according to the given information in question number 6, they are saying that the force quantity is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So as the force is inversely proportional to the distance, so distance will be in the denominator 1 upon d square. As the proportionality is inversely, so distance will be 1 upon d square due to the proportionality, inverse proportionality. F is proportional to 1 upon d square. So now converting the proportionality sign into equality by multiplying with a constant, and the constant is k here. So F is equals to k upon d square. Now write down the formula connecting F and D. We have to write the formula which will be connect F and D. To find the formula, first we will find the value of k. To find the value of k, they are saying that the formula, the force of repulsion between the two particles is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the particle. Write down the formula connecting F and D. When the particles are at a certain distance apart, the force of repulsion is 20 Newton. So the formula, first in the first part we have to find the formula. So to find the value of k, there is no data given, so we will write the formula in the form of k. So F is equals to k upon d square, and where k is the constant. So this is the formula which will connect F and D. In the last questions, we first find the value of k and write the equation in the form of value, not in the form of k. In this question there is no information given to find the value of the k, so we will write the equation in the form of k, and we have mentioned that here k is the constant. So in the second part they are saying that when the particles are at a certain distance apart, the force of repulsion is 20 Newton. The distance is not given. They are saying that the distance at a certain distance, so we assume that d is equals to, for example, d, distance is d, and d is a certain d is any certain value. Here d is any certain value. At this d value, the force is given 20 Newton. So we can say that the force is 20 when the distance given is any certain value which we have taken d square. So we can say that 20 is equals to k upon d square, or k will be equal to 20 into d square. Further they are saying that find the value of force when the distance is halved. Now they are saying that find the value of the force. Now there will be a force which when the distance is d, the force is 20 Newton. So now the distance is halved. Now the new value of the distance is given that the distance is halved, means that the distance which we have taken d, now it is halved, means that d upon 2. Now the distance is halved between the two particles, and now we have to find the force between the two particles, force of repulsion between the two particles. So we can say that इस क्वेश्चन में जो हमें कह रहे हैं उसको अगर मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे एलिब्रेट कर दूँ तो दो फोर्सेज हैं, दो एनी बॉडीज़ हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल ये बॉडी ए, ये बॉडी बी, इन दोनों के दरमियान में जो डिस्टेंस है वो मैंने अज्यूम कर लिया कि वो डिस्टेंस डी है, एनी सर्टेन वैल्यू ऑफ डी। इस टाइम पे फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्जन जो है, ये बॉडी इसको रिपेल कर रही है, ये बॉडी इसको रिपेल कर रही है। फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्जन जो है दोनों बॉडीज़ के दरमियान में वो 20 न्यूटन है। अब हमें कह रहे हैं कि अगर ये दोनों के दरमियान में जो डिस्टेंस गिवन है ये हाफ़ हो जाए, यानी अब ये बॉडी दोनों के दरमियान में डिस्टेंस हाफ़ हो गया, यानी अब बॉडी ए और बॉडी बी करीब आ गई हैं। अब जो डिस्टेंस हो गया है वो पहले जो डिस्टेंस था उसका हाफ़ आ गया। अब इन दोनों के दरमियान में जो डिस्टेंस है वो हाफ़ होने की वजह से अब इन दोनों के दरमियान में जो फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्जन होगी वो हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है कि वो कितनी होगी। पहले तो हमें पता है कि जब डिस्टेंस डी था तो 20 न्यूटन थी। अब आपके पास डिस्टेंस हाफ होने की वजह से अब फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्जन कितनी आ रही है वो हमने फाइंड आउट करनी है। सो यूजिंग द इक्वेशन, नाउ द इक्वेशन विल बी एफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू के अपॉन डी कॉम्प्लीमेंट। सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द एफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट विच इज इक्वल्स टू के अपॉन डी कॉम्प्लीमेंट, एंड डी कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज डी अपॉन 2. So F complement will be equal to K, and the value of the K in the last we have find the value of the K, which is 20 into D square. So it will be 20 into D square upon D square upon 4. So it will be now 20 D square divide into multiply by inversing this value, it will be 4 upon D square. So D square is cancelled by D square. So the force of repulsion between the two balls or the two particles or the two any bodies will be 20 into 4 for 80. So the new force will be 80 Newton, as the distance between the two bodies is halved. So this is the question number 7. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.